Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to open a free Printful account in 2025 and how you can start selling custom products by connecting your stores here. It's quite simple, low risk and perfect for beginners. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for printful.com. Now, once you are on the home page of Printful, you need to click on the option of sign in for free or the sign up option. Then you can continue with your Google account or your Facebook account or with your Apple ID. So you can select any of the options and then you can basically come inside your Printful dashboard. Now the dashboard should look something like this, where on the home page, the first thing that you can do is you can design your product and then you can basically connect your store. It can be Etsy, it can be Shopify or any other stores. Afterwards, with the help of Printful, you can basically publish your products to store and set your billings. So over here, if you hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of product catalogs, you will find a bunch of different products. You can choose any one of these that you want on your store. You can also just hover over to the left hand section and click on any one of these, and in whichever product you are interested, you need to click on that and click on the option of start designing. With the help of this option, you can basically upload your own design on top of it, or you can also select the colors from the left hand section just like so. After that, if you want to make it for the unlimited colors, you can select it, but remember that it is paid option. Once you are done with your designing, in order to save this template, click on the option of save template option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once this step is done, you need to simply connect your Shopify or your Etsy store with it, where you are going to basically sell the product. So click on the start option, click on the option of choose the platform. Over here, simply click on the connect option right next to any one of the e-commerce platforms. For example, let's say I want to select Shopify. So after clicking on it, you need to create a Shopify account, install the Printful application on Shopify, then connect your store and add your products. So this way you will be able to open your Printful account and start selling it on it in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.